So I saw your question on discussion board. Noticed nobody's worked it out for you. So up here, you got a baby born in the 32 to 35 week range, and the median weight for born during that time is the mean weight is 2,500 grams and a standard deviation of 800 grams. While a baby born after this period of 40 weeks has a mean weight of 2,800 grams and a standard deviation of 410 grams. If you have 32-week gestation period for a baby that weighs 2,800 grams, and for a 41-week gestation period weighs 31 grams. Find the corresponding z-score, which baby weighs more relative to the gestation period. So here's the formula for finding z-score. It equals the score you're given minus the mean over standard deviation. So for the 32-week-old baby, the value given up here was 2,800 minus the mean divided by standard deviation. And you work that out, comes out to 0.375. Then you want to do the same thing, find a z-score for a 41-week-old baby. So it's 3,100 grams, which is here, minus the mean, 2,800 grams, all over the standard deviation, which is what I have here, and that works out to 0.73. So this baby weight is more relative to this one. And so let's see, I think that would be what, B? The baby born in 41 weeks weighs relatively more, since its z-score is 0.73, is larger than the z-score of, I guess, around the two places. It'd be 0.38 for the baby born after 32 weeks. Hope this helps.